Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to edit ConvertKit templates. Now the first thing I want you to do once you're logged into your dashboard, come at the top, click on send, and from this drop down, click on email templates. Now here you'll see the different templates you were working on or you had created, and to edit these you just click on them and proceed to edit them. Now if you want to edit the ones from their template gallery, just click on new email template and you'll see a lot of different templates. So these ones are starting points that you can use. So these are the customized designs. If you scroll down even more, we have some classic templates. Okay, and then you can also access their template library just by clicking on this. This is their marketplace. They have free ones and paid ones as well. So you can see this one's $19. And this one right here is free. Now to use any of these templates, all you need to do is actually just go ahead and click on them. And this will open up the template in edit mode. Okay, so you can just scroll down, edit anything you want right here. So let's say I want to remove this text, and easily do that. The text color, can do that as well. Anything and everything here can be edited. And if you want to get rid of this, all you need to do is click on it and then just toggle it off. And that badge will not be shown. That's all you have to do, and that is how you edit your ConvertKit templates.